Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
Competing against the likes of the Mazda CX-30, Kia Seltos and Hyundai Kona in one of the hottest segments in Australia, the Qashqai has the potential to sell in big numbers. Just think about it. When was the last time you went to the shops and didn't see a small SUV? The Qashqai also represents the vanguard for a new Nissan, as the first of 4 all-new models due in Australian showrooms over the next 12 to 18 months, and will be followed by the aforementioned Z, as well as the X-Trail, Pathfinder and probably the Ariya EV. So, instead of waiting for this car to come to us, we thought we'd take a trip across the world to see if it lives up to the hype. How much will this new Qashqai cost when it lands in Australian showrooms? Right now, no one but Nissan Australia knows for sure, but we can make a few educated guesses. The current lineup starts at $28,590 before on-road costs, but that's for the entry-level manual, which will no longer be offered with this new generation Qashqai. That means pricing could jump up to around $34,000, and could stretch all the way to about $44,000, spread over 4 grades: the Saint, Street Plus, Street L and T. But buyers will be compensated with a long list of standard kit that comes with the new Qashqai 7.0-inch digital instrument display, cloth interior, push-button start, and an 8.0-inch multimedia color touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Stepping up to the Saint Plus adds 18-wheel wheels, rain-sensing wipers, LED fog lamps and a 9.0-inch multimedia unit with wireless Apple CarPlay and satellite navigation. Buyers opting for the Saint L will be treated to 19-inch wheels, dual-zone climate control, part leather seat trim, a wireless smartphone charger, a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel and auto high beam. But the top-of-the-range 2022 Qashqai, known as the T, similar to the one we have on test, scores all the fruit, adding a panoramic glass roof, powered tailgate, leather interior, massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.8-inch head-up display and a 10-speaker Bose sound system. The most expensive variant of the Qashqai basically has everything you'd want in a new car in 2022, but it's great to see even entry-level Qashqais still get important tech like smartphone mirroring. Can you believe Nissan's second-generation Qashqai has been on sale in Australia since 2014? And after 8 years, the small SUV has received a nip here and a tuck there to keep things fresh. But let's be honest, this new generation model is exactly what the doctor ordered. It looks sleek, modern and confident while retaining that familiar Nissan DNA, and is now a genuine rival to head-turning SUVs like the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and Peugeot 2008. The first thing you'll notice at the front is the new V-Motion front grille, which blends together with boomerang-shaped headlights and daytime running lights. You've also got the bonnet lines feeding right into the grille and a heavily sculpted bumper that combine for a sharp and angular face. Thanks for watching.